Hello viewers, welcome to KC Sharp where we turn drafting skills into income. In today's section, we are going to talk about polar array. In our previous lesson, we learned how to create path array. In today's section, we will be going to learn how to make use of polar array. So I must let you know that you can create a perfect circular pattern in AutoCAD in seconds instead of drawing objects one by one. In this video, or at the end of this video, I will show you how to use the polar array command to quickly duplicate objects around a circle. If you are learning AutoCAD, this is a tool that can save you hours of work. Let's get started. In this example, there is a round table and a chair which I wish to distribute 8 chairs around the table. And to do this easily, I am going to use a polar array command. And a polar array command can be found in the modify panel of the home ribbon. So this polar array can be found here. This is a modified panel of this home ribbon. So what we are going to do is to go ahead and click, if you look up here, go ahead and click on this arrow. Then you see rectangular array, you will see path array, and you also see polar array. So we are talking about polar array today. So what you need to do is to go ahead and click on polar array. You clicking on polar array means you're activating it. Just go ahead and click on polar array. Now it's telling you to select object which you want to array. Go ahead and click on it, the object, and click enter. Now it's telling you to specify center point of the array. So you locate the center point of the circle and click. Now it will appear 6 same chairs around the table. So the next thing that we are going to do now is, since I want the chair to cover the entire perimeter of the table, I will change some of the things that I need to be changed here. So this panel we are seeing here is where you change whatever thing that you want to change: type, item, rows, level, and properties. So I want to reduce the item of this circle, of this chair here. So I will come down here, click on it, and type 4. I am going to make use of 4 and say enter. Now if you can see, it is now 4. So let me just go back and make use of that. Let me use 6. Now I type 6 and click enter. Now as you can see, now the next thing that we need to do now is, if you should come down here, you see associates, yes, you see associatives, you see base points, you see rotate, and you see direction. So in this particular associative means, if I should deactivate this, these chairs we all are seeing here will be single. They are no longer going to be together. So base points, that one is not necessary for now. You will leave it that way. Don't activate that. So this rotate, if I should click on rotate, we means we want to change the position of this chair. For instance, let's click on rotate. I deactivated that rotate. Now let's see what happened. Now they have changed their position. They are no longer facing each other. So this direction means they want it to go or to create in anti-clockwise or counterclockwise. That's what this particular one means, but it's not necessary for this particular tutorial, this particular example we are doing. So you go ahead and click back your rotate item. Now they are now facing each other. Since you want to separate this particular thing, you just go ahead and click associative. Now by so doing, you are able to separate these shares. They are now independent. Now see, as you can see, they are independent. They are no longer together.